Hey everyone, I am so excited to be back on my channel after a little break. Life threw some unexpected challenges my way, but I were missed sharing my passion for crafts works with you all. I want to thank you for your support and patience. Moving forward, I am bringing you now with a new segment called How to and Tutorials, which is related to educational contents. And further, can't wait, come, we will dive into today's topic called terrace gardening. Join our garden community, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell to be the first to know when I post new content. And let me know in the comments what you love to see next. Come, let's get started. Before entering into the terrace gardening, we will see what is terrace gardening. Terrace gardening is a set of activity that involves growing one's own food on one's home's terrace or roof. Everything from cereals to pulses, herbs, vegetables and fruits can be grown. Most of the peoples prefer to grow vegetables and fruits than any other despite a variety of constraints. Before starting the terrace gardening, we will see what are the basic requirements of starting the terrace gardening. 1. Space and structure, containers and soil, water supply, sunlight, plant and healthy seeds, mulch or soil protector, fertilization, pest management, wind protection, maintenance tool and safety. Let us discuss the basic requirements one by one. Space and structure. Ensure the terrace can support the weight of the soil, plants and water. And also we have to consider the easy access for maintenance, watering and harvesting. Regarding the container and soil, use pots, raised beds or vertical plants for growing the plants. Ensure they have drainage holes. Regarding the soil, choose high quality potting mix or a suitable soil blend that retains moisture while allowing for good drainage. Regarding the water supply, consider installing a drip irrigation system for efficient watering or use water cans and hoses. And also we have to maintain the scheduling of watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially in hot climates. Regarding the sunlight, ensure terrace receives adequate sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours a day. Consider the direction of the sunlight and plant placement accordingly. Regarding the plant selection, choose plants that thrive in container gardens such as herbs, vegetables, flowers and the ornamental plants. And also we can consider the composition planting. Consider planting compactable species together for better growth and pest management. Mulch, we can call it as soil protector. Organic mulch used to retain moisture, regulate the soil temperature and suppress weeds. A good fertilization, nutrition is more important. Regularly add organic fertilizers or composite to enrich the soil and support plant growth. Basically, we can use the vegetable waste from the day-to-day kitchen waste. Regarding the pest management, regularly check the pests and diseases. To control that, we can use the organic solutions. Consider the natural pest control methods such as neem oil or introducing the beneficial for insects. When we are putting up the new terrace gardening, we have to consider the wind force too. So we have to give the proper shelter to the saplings. So if it is a windy area, use the wind breaks like screens to protect the plants. Apart from that, we need to maintain some maintenance tools as per your requirements and comfortability. And also main thing is the safety is more important here. So we are going to handle with more soils may contain the bacteria and fungus. So better wear the gloves and appropriate clothing while gardening. Next, we will see the how to do the plantations in the part 2. Thank you friends watching this video. Please subscribe and like this, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification. I will catch you in part 2. This complete video is sponsored by Genreview.online. Genreview.online is one of the review portal site. I'll give the complete details related to this Gen review in my description. Please refer. Thank you.